set? All right.
I'm going to show you where you can keep your bag, water bottle, and lunchbox.
Good morning and good morning. My name is
Great classroom. Hi, good morning. How are you? Good, good. Do you know where your classrooms are?
Where might I be from? Listen to my wonderful accent.
You need to think of your action. It can be this, it can be that.
So let's look at today's schedule. So today is a little bit different.
You guys nailed this. When you come into the class, if you see this.
My job is to work with you. I don't treat people.
So you can see what time is what time is
How many hours of sleep you got last night?
Bro, no way.
My orders from down below are to do everything I can to make sure you are successful in the EP program.
Stand up if you had a great summer break. All right, thank you.
So this year is what you make of it. It's about the relationships that you build, the friendships that you make. It's about how you engage with your activities, with your studies. It's about how you engage with yourself and become the person that you feel comfortable in and the person that you really want to be. And it's up to us to help everybody have the best year possible. I want to say a big welcome to all of you, to the kids that are coming back, welcome back, to everyone who's joining us for the first time, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. A school is not about buildings, a school is not about books, a school is not about facilities and resources, a school is about people. It's people that make the school and you are the people. So be kind to each other, be nice to each other, do your best, be proud of yourself, be proud of who you are, and you will have a great year. So have fun everybody, and welcome back to NIS.